Let's be honest for a moment. We spend years in school learning maths, science, history, and exam, but nobody teaches us how money actually work in real life. Nobody teaches us how to earn, save, manage, or grow money. And later, when we struggle financially, society tell us you should have known better. But how could we? Nobody even taught us the rules. Today's video is not about becoming rich overnight. It's about understanding money clearly, calmly, and realistically. These are the money rules that school never taught you. But every person must understand to live a stable, confident, and stress free life. The first rule is simple but powerful. Money is not about how much you earn, it's about how you manage what you earn. Many people earn good money and still remain stressed, while others earn less but live peacefully. The difference is not income. The difference is control. When you don't control money, money control you, and that control decide your freedom. Another rule nobody tell you is that salary alone will never make you financially free. A salary give comfort, not freedom. It help you survive, but it rarely help you grow. This is why many people feel stuck even after working hard for years. They are busy earning money, but not learning how money grows. Understanding this early can save you years of struggle. One of the most dangerous money lie we are taught is save first, enjoy later. In reality, money need balance. If you only save and never enjoy, life becomes stressful. If you only enjoy and never save, life becomes unstable. Smart money habits are about balance, saving with purpose and spend with awareness. Another important rule is that expenses grow faster than income if you are not careful. As soon as people earn more, they increase their lifestyle. Better phone, better clothes, better food, better everything. But income growth without discipline creates financially pressure, not success. The habit of controlling lifestyle is more powerful than increasing income. Nobody teaches us about the emotional side of money. Money decisions are rarely logical. They are emotional. People spend money to feel important, to impress others, to hide insecurity, or to feel success. But when you understand this, you stop wasting money on things that don't actually add value to your life. Debt is another topic school never explained properly. Not all debt is bad, but careless debt is dangerous. Borrowing money without a clear plan slowly steals your peace of mind. Trust does not just take money, it takes freedom. Smart people respect debt, careless people ignore it and pay the price later. Another powerful money rule is this: time is more valuable than money, but money can buy time. When you don't manage money well, you are forced to trade more time for money. When you manage money wisely, money start working for you. This shift does not happen suddenly, but it starts with awareness. Many people believe money change people, but the truth is money reveals people. If someone is careless, money make them more careless. If someone is disciplined, money make them more powerful. This is why building character and habits is more important than just earning more. One of the biggest mistakes people make is depend on a single source of income. Life is uncertain. Job change, market change, situation change. Having multiple skill and income option give mental peace. You don't need 10 income. Even one extra skill can change your confidence completely. Another rule school never taught you is that money follow value, not effort. Hard work is important, but value decide income. Two people can work equally hard, but the one who create more value earn more. When you focus on learning valuable skill, money naturally flows. Let's talk about saving. Saving money without purpose is weak. Saving with a goal is powerful. Emergency funds, future plans, self growth. These give meaning to saving. When your saving has meaning, discipline become easier. Also understand this: comparison destroy financial peace. Someone will always earn more than you. Someone will always have better things. When you compare, you lose focus. When you focus on your own growth, progress becomes faster and calmer. Another truth about money is that financial education never ends. Market change, technology change, opportunity change. People who keep learning stay ahead. People who stop learning stay dependent. Finally, the most important rule: money is a tool, not life itself. It should support your life, not control it. Money should reduce stress, not increase it. When money decisions are conscious, life becomes lighter. If you understand this rule early, you don't just earn better, you live better. You make calmer decisions. You sleep peacefully. You plan clearly. And most importantly, you stop fearing the future. Money is not everything, but understanding money changes everything.